textiles beyond our comprehension is being revealed. From textiles used for clothing to textiles controlling the stabilization of spaceships, textiles are evolving beyond anything we could have imagined. At the center of this effort, the Korea Textile Development Institute is playing a leading role in innovating textile technologies of the future. Based on the extensive history of making textiles over 2,000 years ago, the Daegu Gyeongbuk region has grown into a world-leading textile city. Textiles from clothing uses to industrial uses, the region has become the mecca of the 21st century's advanced materials industry. It is also the home of the Korea Textile Development Institute, the cradle of advanced textile technologies. The Korea Textile Development Institute, which boasts the longest history among Korea's professional production technology research institutes, has stood by the growth of the textile industry over its 30-year history. Starting with the Gyeongbuk Textile Technology Promotion Center, merging with the Gyeongbuk Textile Technology Training Institute for nurturing textile experts in the late 70s, and the Textile Technology Expert Training Institute, it was renamed the Daegu Textile Technology Promotion Institute in 1983. Reorganized under the name the Korea Textile Development Institute in 1996. In the 21st century, our institute focused on heightening the competitive strength of small and medium-sized enterprises in the textile industry by promoting various national R&D projects, including the Regional Strategic Industry Promotion Project, as well as KTDI-introduced infrastructures that weren't available in Korea to strengthen support for corporations. Following the establishment of the Textile Information Center and the new Textiles Development Center in 2000, our institute implemented a conjugate spinning facility to develop specialized yarns in 2004. By establishing the Textile Business Center in 2005, the company attached Research Institute in 2007 and the Super Textile Fusion Material Center in 2012, it has expanded corporate support in the field of industrial textiles. Through R&D, technical support for sample production, test and analysis, human resources training, and small and medium-sized enterprises promotions, our institute is leading the growth of Korea's textile industry. In the area of R&D, our institute's key role is strengthening textiles for clothing and expanding industrial textiles. In the field of textiles for clothing, KTDI is striving to develop new, highly functional textiles that capture consumers' hearts by focusing on polymerization, spinning, and weaving processes. And in the field of industrial textiles, it is focusing on developing industrial materials used for parts and materials in various industries and product commercialization technologies to expand industrial use of textiles, creating a new market and accomplishing stronger global competitiveness. Our institute also offers a wide range of services in the area of company support, polymerization to raw yarns, texturizing processing to weaving. The new Textile Development Center has established a state-of-the-art infrastructure for one-stop processing to support the development and production of a wide range of new materials in small quantities. The Test and Analysis Center is an internationally accredited testing and analysis body that supports higher quality and competitiveness of textile SMEs by supporting testing, analysis, and consulting. At the same time, our institute is promoting a professional textile human resources training program to resolve the shortage of manpower in the textile industry and to nurture textile experts of the future. The Textile Information Center operates Korea's only library that specializes in textiles to promote the digitalization of the textile industry. Furthermore, it is quickly distributing the latest technical information to the industry by operating Textopedia, Korea's largest textile portal site. On the other hand, we are creating a new culture against copycat products in the textile industry, supporting the development of creative products and nurturing creative companies, operating the up-close corporate support program called One Person, Five Company Management Program, which dispatches qualified experts to corporations to provide on-site technical assistance. We are also operating the Daegu Gyeongbuk Committee of Textile Export, which consists of the corporations of Daegu and Gyeongbuk that specialize in exports. By establishing the TB Center and company-attached research institute, it is supporting joint R&D with resident companies. KTDI also participates in textile conventions to promote these jointly developed products to support SMEs. KTDI is the cradle of textile technology development, and it is capturing the industry spotlight with its new accomplishments every year. With materials for functional medical clothing utilizing integrated conjugate spinning technology, our institute's accomplishments include the successful development and commercialization of 100% nylon 6 fine stretch yarns production technology and special industrial materials for reinforcing weak grounds in civil works. The snow cover, which replaces conventional metal snow chains with 3D textiles of a 100% textile fusion product, was a huge success on home shopping networks. By developing special conjugate spinning technology with elasticity using super textiles and transferring it to local companies, KTDI has heightened the global technological competitiveness of local companies. From developing anti-condensation, high insulation, and flame-retardant textile fusion products for buildings, to developing a technology that replaces steel belts for carrying steel sheets in the steel industry with 100% super textile belts, KTDI is leading the technological innovations of the future. The textile industry is becoming the new growth engine of the future. Preparing for the future based on numerous R&D accomplishments, we are pioneering the new paradigm of the local textile industry. By discovering large products that form the foundation of structural innovations in the local textile industry, such as the Super Textile Fusion Product Commercialization Project and High-Tech Medical Textile Material Development Project, KTDI is presenting the future course of growth for local textile companies. By accomplishing new technological fusions to create highly functional textiles in the clothing sector, and developing new fusion textiles with market dominance throughout all industries, we will present a new vision where the textile industry powers Korea's national growth. The textile industry is evolving as we speak. Leading the growth of the textile industry from the center of changes, the Global Research Institute, the Korea Textile Development Institute, will have a new path that will lead the textile industry to become a high-tech industry of the future.